Ever wondered what it takes to create award-winning Japanese ramen, or what secret ingredients make it worthy of first place in Japan's fiercely competitive food scene? Well, buckle up as we delve into the art of crafting the perfect bowl of ramen. Imagine a bowl of steaming hot, delicious ramen, the kind that makes your taste buds tingle in anticipation. This isn't just any bowl of noodles, it's the culmination of hours of preparation, a symphony of flavors, and a testament to the dedication of its creators. The journey of a perfect bowl of ramen starts with the broth. It's a labor-intensive process that begins with simmering chicken or pork bones for hours on end. This slow cooking method extracts every bit of flavor, resulting in a rich, hearty broth that forms the backbone of every bowl of ramen. Next comes the tare, the soul of ramen. It is a concentrated sauce, often made from soy sauce, mirin, and sake, that gives every bowl its unique character. Each ramen chef has their own secret tare recipe passed down through generations or meticulously perfected over years. And then, we have the noodles. These are no ordinary noodles, they're made fresh, with a perfect balance of chewiness and firmness. The noodles are then cooked to perfection, ready to absorb the flavors of the broth and tare. But what's ramen without its toppings? Thin slices of succulent chashu pork, a soft-boiled egg with a creamy runny yolk, fresh scallions, and perhaps a sheet of nori seaweed. Each topping is carefully chosen, not just for flavor, but to create a balance of textures and tastes that elevate the entire dish. Now, imagine all these elements coming together in a single bowl. The rich broth, the flavorful tare, the chewy noodles, and the variety of toppings, all harmoniously mingling to create a culinary masterpiece. This is the essence of Japanese ramen. Ramen is more than just a dish. It's a cultural icon. It's the comfort food of millions, the star of countless movies and TV shows, and a testament to Japan's culinary prowess. Its popularity is not just confined to Japan. It has taken the world by storm, winning hearts and palates from New York to Paris, from Sydney to Seoul. But why is ramen so popular? Perhaps it's the complexity of its flavors, the skill required to make it, or the sheer satisfaction of slurping down a bowl of hot, delicious noodles. Or perhaps it's the endless possibilities it offers, with countless variations and regional styles. In conclusion, the art of making ramen is a journey of passion and dedication. It's a testament to the culinary genius of Japan, a dish that has transcended borders and cultures to become a global phenomenon. The next time you savor a bowl of ramen, remember the hours of preparation, the secret recipes, and the culinary skill that went into creating it. And as for the secret ingredient that makes ramen worthy of first place in Japan, well, that's a closely guarded secret. But one thing's for sure, a bowl of ramen is a culinary adventure, a journey of flavors that's worth every slurp.